You still thinking about buying that used car deal that looks too good to be true? We're counting down the 10 most unreliable cars from the last decade, and yes, some of them are still being sold today. Backed by real driver complaints and data from Endurance Warranty, these are the vehicles you'll want to think twice about before signing the paperwork. Stay tuned to find out which 2023 model is already raising red flags and why resale value isn't always a good deal if the car breaks down in a year. The Ford Fiesta was supposed to be a practical, budget-friendly city car, but the 2014 model year had drivers dealing with transmission nightmares. According to Endurance Warranty and reports in CarComplaints.com, the 2014 Fiesta was plagued by jerky shifting, odd noises, and stalling, and that's all thanks to Ford's PowerShift transmission. Many owners were told this behavior was normal, but it led to undrivable conditions for some. Even after clutch replacements or seal fixes, problems often came back fast, so if you see a cheap Fiesta for sale in 2025, make sure it doesn't come with the kind of problems that'll cost more than the car itself. Jeep's Renegade had all the looks of a fun off-roader, but what it had under the hood was a different story. The 2015 Renegade made waves for the wrong reasons, including random no-start issues, dead batteries after just a couple of days, and glitchy electronics. Some owners even reported their cars were kept at dealerships for over a month because no one could figure out what was wrong.
As soon as I turn my signal on, it's gonna start beeping and freaking out.
Endurance Warranty notes that these types of sporadic electrical failures are notoriously difficult to diagnose, which means expensive repairs and repeat visits. The Dodge Dart may have looked like a sporty commuter car, but the 2016 model just burned through oil and driver trust like no tomorrow. Reports say some Darts went from full oil to empty in just 30 days. Others lost all power while cruising on the freeway. According to Endurance Warranty, these were clear signs of internal engine failure and transmission flaws that could be dangerous and expensive. Even though the Dart was discontinued, these models are still floating around the used market, so if you find one, just keep driving. The 2017 Traverse earned its spot on this list due to serious suspension and steering failures. One common issue is the coolant and power steering lines rubbing together, causing leaks and eventual loss of steering power. One owner had to pay over $2,400 just to fix the steering rack and suspension bushing, and that's only after just 2 years of purchase. Now this is the kind of problem that sneaks up quietly, and then it costs thousands. Endurance Warranty notes that once critical systems like steering start failing, you're probably better off investing in something more solid or at least covered by warranty. The Land Rover badge might scream luxury, but the 2018 Discovery had a lot of drivers screaming in frustration. According to Endurance Warranty, this model was known for air suspension problems and electrical issues, including smart keys that didn't start the car or engines that shut off mid-drive. Combine that with high repair costs and complicated systems, and this luxury SUV becomes more of a money pit. Even in 2025, buyers should beware. Luxury looks don't guarantee long-term reliability. By now, Nissan's CVT issues are legendary, and the 2019 Altima was no exception. So much so that a class action lawsuit was filed in 2022 accusing Nissan of selling vehicles with defective CVTs that caused jerking, stalling, and shaking. Unlike earlier models that were recalled, the 2019 version wasn't, meaning many owners got stuck with massive repair bills. As Endurance Warranty explains, when transmissions fail and the automaker doesn't step up to fix it, you're on the hook, and in this case, that could mean $4,000 to $6,000 out of pocket. The 2020 Tesla Model Y was a huge step for electric vehicles and also a reminder that innovation needs refinement. Despite its high-tech appeal, many owners reported software glitches, panel misalignments, and paint issues, all of which affect both reliability and resale. Some infotainment systems failed entirely, while others had trouble with basic functions like climate control. According to Endurance Warranty, software-based issues are one of the hardest to protect against, and when combined with hardware missteps, it turns a premium EV into a frustrating experience. The Kia Seltos was new, stylish, and efficient, but the 2021 model year was hit with early engine failures that rattled customer confidence. Multiple complaints surfaced about piston ring failures and rapid oil loss, sometimes before the 12,000-mile mark. Even after recalls, many owners reported that problems kept returning, making it one of the most unreliable compact SUVs of recent years. In 2025, these things are still being sold, but without a full engine history or extended protection, it's a big gamble. Ford's Explorer is usually known for utility and comfort, but the 2022 model raised eyebrows with complaints about its drivetrain, electrical glitches, and software failures. Endurance Warranty flagged this model for early tech failure, including transmission slips and random screen blackouts. For buyers, that meant more time in the shop and a harder time getting warranty claims approved. If you're considering a 2022 Explorer, make sure it's been thoroughly inspected, and be cautious of unusually low resale prices. There's usually a reason for that. And at the top of the list, and the most recent entry as well, is the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. It may be new, but early owner reports have highlighted steering column noise, brake pedal failure, and other critical safety concerns. Endurance Warranty notes that newer models often hide their worst problems until the miles pile up, and with issues already surfacing, the Elantra might become Hyundai's next headache if not addressed. It has a solid reliability rating on paper, but real-world performance tells another story. If you're car shopping in 2025, keep an eye on updated recalls or just avoid this model altogether. Here's a bonus tip. Whether you drive a car on this list or not, even reliable vehicles break down. But the good news is, you don't have to pay out of pocket every time. Endurance Warranty, one of America's top-rated providers, offers vehicle service contracts that cover major repairs even after your factory warranty expires. That includes engine, transmission, electrical systems, plus extras like 24/7 roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and trip interruption coverage. With rising repair costs, a solid warranty isn't just smart, it's essential. These cars might still be on the lot, but now you know why. Before you buy used in 2025, remember, a cheap price tag means nothing if the repair bill triples it in a year. Drive smarter, stay protected, and avoid the money pits.